What's going on, everyone? Got another reset for you today. This one is going to be on a FoxxD A65L. It's a newer budget smartphone that just came out. So if you have one of these and you have one that has a pattern or a password and you don't remember what it is, I'm going to show you how to do a reset on it. And it's pretty simple in this one, but let's get the phone turned off first. You have the volume buttons over here, volume up, volume down, and power. I'm going to hold power so we can turn it off. We'll turn it off. Once it's off, we're going to do a combination of holding the volume up button, which is up here, and the power button until it goes into the reset menu. Once the phone turns on, after about a second or so, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. It does take a minute. I'll show you guys from here real quick. Hold the volume up. I'm going to be holding volume up, and then I'm pushing power. It does take a minute for it to actually turn on sometimes. With some of these Fox phones, it kind of can be a little bit finicky on going into the reset. So if it doesn't work the first time, I would always advise try again, because sometimes it just, for whatever reason, the system likes to think. So like on this one, it's taking a minute. There it goes. We'll let go of power. We'll keep holding volume up. All right, so it brings us to our reset menu. We want to use the volume buttons to scroll, and then the power button is your enter button. You want to go to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, which is enter. And once you confirm again, yes, we want to do a factory data reset. It's resetting. This one reset pretty quickly. So once it's done, we just go to hit reboot system now or power off, whichever one you want to, but we'll just do a reboot system now, hit enter again. And it's all done. And that is how you do a reset on a FoxxD A65L. If you guys have any questions or have another device that you're having trouble with, just drop a comment and I'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, like, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do. We appreciate all the help. Thanks.